Ooh. Boss up, boss up, boss up, boss up. We back with another one. Another one. That's right. Another great gig app you can set up on your phone, get the rolling in your car, cargo van, truck, pickup truck, box truck, whatever you got, get rolling. I'm about that on this channel. Help you out the 9 to 5 rat race. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe button because I'm here daily with content, side hustles, credit, business credit, crypto, anything get you paid. We about that over here. So let's get into it. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I got a great company called Better Trucking. We're going to see where they're based out of, see how much they're paying. I got signed up, we got approved, so we're going to take a look around the app. I haven't did any routes yet, but I did get signed up for some this week, so hopefully I get accepted. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs. Very similar to Veho, where you go to a warehouse and pick up your order, and you get to pick your shifts. Well, not to pick your shift, but you pick the route, beforehand, and then you go to the warehouse and they, load your car up for you. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna hop into the website, break all that down, and then we're gonna take a look at the app. All right, boss up, baby. Better Trucking. BetterTrucks.com. You see the website. Let's get into it. Let's see what all they're offering today. So this company is a last mile company, basically like Veho, where they, go to a warehouse every morning, get your route, pick your route at the night, go to the warehouse in the morning. They load your car up and you deliver your packages on your route throughout the day. Great for, SUVs, sedans, cars, any type of vehicle you got. They're working with you. Here are some of the coverage areas. Now, Better Trucking, of course, like it sounds, it was founded for, 18-wheelers, semi-trucks, but then they got into the last mile game and they started working with the cargo van, the sprinter vans, and then they moved over to the regular cars and sedans for some of the smaller routes. All right, so here are the places they are. You see Texas, nothing to the left of Texas. So if you're not in your area, appreciate you watching. Hit that like button and share on your way out. But everybody else, we got these areas here. You see it on the map: Chicago, New York, Florida, Atlanta, where I am, all that good places. The difference between this company and other companies is that they kind of make things a little simpler with technology. They use two apps: the actual Better Truck app, which I'm going to show you in a second, how the Better Truck app with, and then they link that with OnFleet. If you ever work with a company that uses OnFleet, that pretty much is just a route management system where you show you where to go. And the good thing about OnFleet, depending on where you are, they show you the quickest route, the best delivery place to go first or next. So I really like the OnFleet app. So that's that. They got customers like big box retailers, Best Buy, Nike, any type of big retailer that does a lot of e-commerce. So join us. This is how you apply. This is how you get in with them. You can view the job openings here. What makes them tick, believe racing for your strengths. They work with you a lot. Say good customer service, but we're going to get into the real details. We're going to look at some Glassdoor and some Indeed reviews and actually see what real people that work for them actually have to say. Here are some of the routes. Here is a $16.50 route in Norcross. Let's see what this is about. This was posted last year, though, and it's still on the site. Possibly because they probably have a lot of turnover on this route. Possibly not paying a whole lot. We're not sure. 16 is, it's not a whole lot. I'm not sure if they factor in gas and mileage in that. Typical day, deliver 100 packages. Oh, okay, yeah. I see why. You do 100 packages. I'm not sure how feasible that is. Unless you like going to some apartment complexes where they have multiple packages at one stop. But here are some of the roles and requirements. Greater Atlanta suburbs, smartphone, delivery experience, larger vehicle experience preferred, deliver all assigned packages, no at fault, no DUIs, no points on your license, must give drug tests. I haven't got a drug test, and I was accepted on the app. Experience with large vehicles, Sprinter vans, 15 passengers, all that good stuff. Safe to drive, climb in and out 100 times a day. And some of the benefits you get with working with them. Paid vacation. Interesting. All right. So then how you apply, you come in, name, phone number, can you pass a background check? What kind of driver license and resume? Okay. And that's the deal. That's the deal with that. And that's how you apply. Let's look at some other jobs. Here's one. Here's an Amazon. So you can do some Amazon routes. I'm pretty sure they'll hook you up with a van if you do. So this may be a company where they actually provide a vehicle for you, as well as, you can provide your own vehicle, which would be pretty cool. Let's see if we can kind of, this is all the openings I have right now. So if you don't see any jobs right here, go down and, submit that right there, and they'll get back with you with, stuff in your area. Or like we say on this channel, always call, email, pull up on them if they're in the area. All right, be on, boss. Yes, sir. We're inside the app right now. So I'm going to show you what Better Trucks, Better Shift is all about. So here's a shift. Today, February 1st. I'm pretty sure it's already snatched up. Not sure why it's still showing in my shift queue, but here it is. If I'm interested in this, here's all the details I usually show you. Reminds me a lot like Veho, where, you kind of just get minimum details. Here's the warehouse hub in Atlanta. Your warehouse hub be different in whatever city you're in. 4 to 6 hour routes can pay between $150, so about $25 an hour before fuel. Start time 10 a.m., which is not a bad start time. You should be able to get done before rush hour traffic. Let's see what happens if I say interested. And it's pending right now. Like I said, the route said 10 a.m., so I'm pretty sure somebody picked this up now. They usually have routes Monday through Saturday. I've never seen anything on here on a Sunday. They usually do it the night before, or, if it's a weekend, they put it out on a Friday before. So that's how the schedule looking. They got me pending now. You see how much they're paying for these routes. And then, within the app, you scan packages. It's all your shifts. Like I said, I haven't completed any shifts yet, but because I got so many other things going on, but I love to bring y'all this, and I will take a trip soon and do a video of me riding along, so you guys the dirty details. But here's some of the other information. Here, tax information, driver license, insurance, bait details. All that stuff is in there as well. And y'all saw my phone number. Don't be calling me on no bull-ish. So here I am, Better Truck Certified. I guess my badge. I don't have my badge on there. But that's pretty much the app. Working for these guys. What it's all right. About. And then, of course, we're going to show the contact information. So you can bug them after you apply. So you can fill this out. Say, you're trying to work here, be a driver, and then call and say, do y'all have any routes? I see you operating in my state. Do you have any routes or anything of that nature? And get to working, guys. All right, so let's see exactly, what people who have worked for them are saying. So here's Glassdoor. I didn't find any much information on Indeed, but Glassdoor got something for us. Great place to work. And this was a hiring manager. Of course, he's going to say that. And worst job ever. Hell, he was a driver. Worst job ever. October of last year. Underpaid, honest review, none at all. Cons, I could not get paid on time. You would not get paid on time. Oh, Lord. And here's another one. This guy can't even spell driver right, but more pad reviews. Here's a decent one from another hiring manager, of course. And here's at least a 3-star average review. And you see You know, this was May 2022, so no recent reviews. But so they might have got their act together. We don't know. I'm gonna try them out. But let's go ahead and hop in the app and see, you know, what's that all about and show you a route that I found. All right.